Today I'm going to make chickpea salad. This chickpea salad is inspired by an Indian dish. I'm going to use warm spices like mustard seeds, coriander seeds to make this salad, lots of coconut and some fresh herbs. We start by heating 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. In this I will add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of urad dal. This is skinless urad dal, also called black gram, and I'll toast this till the dal is brown. Now adding my whole spices, I have a teaspoon of crushed up whole coriander seeds, some curry patta, curry leaves, 2 red chilies that I cut up and adding them in there. I'll toast this mixture till everything is fragrant. Adding some hing, asafoetida. Saute the mixture for a few more seconds. Then I am adding my chickpeas. These are cooked soft chickpeas. 3 cups of chickpeas and half cup of coconut. This is freshly grated coconut. If you don't have freshly grated coconut, you can use desiccated coconut, unsweetened desiccated coconut. Just soak it in water for a few minutes before you add it. Season with some salt. Half cup of fresh mint or any herb of your choice. Cook it for a couple of minutes and it's done. Before I serve it, I'm going to use some lemon juice. Squeeze some lemon juice on top and it's done. Full recipe on my website yogchakra.com.